everybody, how's it going? Just camping out here in Pro Tools land. Oh no, a lot of you guys are going, what the hell, Glenn, why are you using Pro Tools? Well, the truth is I'm just too lazy to bring my own laptop out and record a monologue onto Reaper, so Pro Tools it is. I'd like to thank Spitfire Studios' very capable staff member, Eric, for making this happen. He's awesome, just don't let him record your drum tracks. Eric's just off camera. Hey, come on, say hi to everybody for a minute, Eric. So this is the studio manager here at Spitfire. This is Eric Gonzalez. You've heard me reference him numerous times. And he's generally he's a massive help around here and getting things done. And yeah, one day I will forgive him for ruining Matt Starr's Tom tracks.
Really?
Yes, one day. You got a ways to go there, kid. All right, get on my shot. Of course, today's subject is my fake drums challenge. First and foremost, I want to say, wow, thank you to everybody for the response. It was just massive. I can't believe so many of you guys were excited to get involved with this. So, you can submit your mixes now and for the next 48 hours. Link is in the description below. It's real simple. Do not send me a finished mix file. Send me a link to your file. I don't need my inbox clogged with your mixes. One more time in case some of you guys missed that. I know that's a bit of a problem sometimes. Do not send me the actual mix file. Send me a link and not a Spotify link, please. I don't have a Spotify account. So like Google Drive, Dropbox, that kind of thing, that works real well. SoundCloud even. Just something where I can follow it, click play, and I can hear your drum mix. And no, I don't want stems or I don't want the raw tracks. I want to hear your mix. That's why it was the fake drums challenge, because I want to hear your phony ass drums across Jackson Ward's amazing original drum tracks. Now, if you didn't get in on this last week, you can still download the tracks. I've got a link in the description below. You can still download them, and you've still got 48 hours to submit your mix. So if you missed out, there's no problem. You can get involved now. And I'd like to thank Cali Audio for putting up a set of LP8s for grabs as a grand prize for this little contest. Anyway, if you guys liked this whole idea and you want to see more of it, let me know, leave a comment. And if you want to see other contests, other kind of mixed contests, that kind of thing, how you'd like them themed, let me know. I always like hearing from you guys. It helps me keep this show going. I mean, I want to make the show that entertains you. And before I go, I'll just give you guys a little update what's going on with the channel, because that way you're not so shocked when things come up. So, I've got that Alctron demo coming up on the Alctron 500 series compressor. That's done. It's in the pipe. It's in the release chain. It will be coming very, very soon. It is the cheapest 500 series compressor you can get, and that's all analog, and it's actually pretty fucking great. That's a Fearless Gear review, completely self-funded, so yes, you are going to get a proper review with zero corporate fuckery involved. And the good thing is I'm going to be doing a lot more of those because I can now fund Fearless Gear reviews completely independently. Thanks to you guys. Thank you oh so much for that, and everybody who bought a Pro Mix Academy course. Yes, more Fearless Gear reviews are on the way. If you like the reviews being non-sponsored, grab a course off Pro Mix Academy like the Ultimate Reaper Guide or Guitar Tone Master or my course, Total Heavy Guitar. Believe me, I'm just going to take that and put it back into the show. What else is coming up? We've got the Neve 1073 OPX demo coming up. Neve did send that to me. Spoiler alert, it's fucking awesome. And of course, we've got Tutorial Tuesdays coming up. This all came out of one of those. I would really recommend checking out next Tuesday's episode. It's going to be called How I Got the Black Album Snare Sound. It's going to be all kinds of fun. And if you didn't check out yesterday's episode, make sure you do. I show you guys this really amazing trick for metal guitars with a Pultec style EQ where you boost and cut at the same frequency and it turns into something really amazing. That was yesterday's video. Link for that in the description below, and I did include the tracks with that one as well. So until next time, get out there and make some metal, you magnificent motherfuckers.